Listen, it's Independence time again, and many offices and residents will be decorating their space with Jamaica's colors. But did you know that you could get an award for this? So here to give us all the details on the Spirit of Independence Awards is Gregory Sims. He's Director of Events Management and Production at the JCDC. Hey, Gregory, morning.
Morning, Delia.
How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I am good. I like it because, when people hear COVID and they say, oh,
Yeah.
and this is about lifting us up. Tell me about the
That's
Spirit
right.
of Independence Awards.
So we're celebrating Jamaica 58. Theme is resilient and strong. Let's
Okay.
celebrate Jamaica 58. And a part of that resilience and strength that we have as Jamaicans is if you take what is something say? Take heart, keep a heart born, yes. And celebrating even in the midst of hardships. And a part of that is celebrating and decorating and prettying up a place with yard, with office, with school, with churches, with the national colors. And celebrate really who we are as a people. And that's what we hope to encourage Jamaicans to say, hey, you can win an award with this. Not only Jamaicans here, but across the diaspora.
All right, so
if you decorate, if you are pretty up with something, we're encouraging you to do that. We have different categories. Send us a picture and video of your work to Jamaica Festival at jcdc.gov.jm, and we'll reach out to you and let you know if you win gold, silver, bronze, and any other special awards that are up for grabs.
All right. It's Spirit of Independence, so I'm thinking, yes, national colors, but can I put other things in it that I feel? What's the colors the independence is here? The national colors?
Yes.
Okay.
But you can dress it up. See me in a little bandana looking something.
Yeah, that's what
The
I'm
major
thinking.
motif and design is the national colors, but you can pull on other Jamaican themes. Suppose you want to do a dancehall style kind of decor aesthetic. Go ahead with that. It's really about celebrating our Jamaicanness. And if you want to go a traditional, cultural kind of look, if you want to go modern and more contemporary in your design.
I want to show them like a heights.
Yes.
Yeah.
So by all means, go ahead and celebrate what Jamaica means to you in decorating your places and let us have a look at it and give you an award for your work.
All right. So there are a number of awards. You have Best Decorated. So we're looking at offices, private residence, so you can decorate your home as well.
Decorate your yard for sure.
Government offices.
Yes.
Best Decorated Town Square.
Yes.
So that's going to be a parish council.
Parish Council in Spanish Town won the last time, if I remember correctly. Yes.
And then Best Diaspora Celebration. Tell
That's
me
right.
about that. They must be excited because, oh gosh, let me tell you, every year when independence come, the diaspora go all out, Gregory?
They do.
They do. So talk to me.
So any citizens association, even student alumni bodies, any group in the diaspora that you're planning a series of events and activities, certainly not in the way we're used to with the COVID-19 protocols across the world. But if you're doing anything, send us the imagery, send us the videos so that we can recognize your celebrations.
Yeah.
And for the diaspora, and there's a category for media too, it's not just about decor per se, it's about any content and any material that you'd have and put out there and celebrate yourself online, on your Facebook page, on Instagram, or you decorate the set, for example, at Smile Jamaica to celebrate independence, and you let us have a look at that and we'll reward your work.
All right, so talk to me about that, Best Media House. So as you said, music features, guest topics, so on. We have a lot of YouTube people.
That's right.
And a lot of Insta Live and so
That's
on.
right.
We have a best social media. Me I plug it, Gregory, because I think the social media content guys do a lot as well.
That's certainly something we can look at and include in the celebrations. And how are you bringing up Jamaica and the excitement that is Jamaica, our resilience and strength in this time?
Yes. So the guidelines tell us what we're looking for. Because when we enter a contest, if we don't win, we're going to start complaining. So let's know what we're looking for. It says we're going to be assessed on creativity and design
That's
content.
That's right. And certainly the use of the colors or the Jamaican aesthetic in the design. So it have to look Jamaica. It have to be screaming Jamaica.
When you see it.
That's right.
All right. And that's 30 points.
Yes.
Use of national colors and Jamaican themes
That's right.
is another 30.
Yes, and you set that up and you send it to us.
Yes. And we say creativity. Not because we say decorate the house in Jamaica color. You just got to take one piece of fabric and just drape the grill. And it not look good. Look, you see, look at that. Look at that nice plait. That's happening there.
Yes,
and them
that's in
things.
Emancipation Park. And you want the goal, so spend some time designing and working and improving your
So it's 30% creativity and design and content, 30% use of national colors and Jamaican themes. What gets you the most points, 40%, is appeal and impact.
That's right.
Like when me see it, me supposed to say, look on Jamaica, man.
Yes.
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 Yeah.
That's right, Delia. And it's supposed to scream, I am proud to be Jamaican.
Yes, and
we
people
look
supposed to say, oh, no, come look on the house here.
Yeah.
Oh, Jamaican, that we want to see.
Yeah.
So appeal and impact, use of national colors and Jamaican themes, creativity and design. And you said submit your photos and videos by when?
August 7th.
August 7th
Yes.
to Jamaica Festival at jcdc.gov.jm. So you have little time to get your things together. And then you'll hear if you get a gold medal, a silver medal, a bronze medal, if you win the best overall, which is the highest score.
In each category, yes.
And you all entrants get a certificate of participation. Well, let me tell you, Radio Jamaica 94, come true. Come true, Radio Jamaica 94. Me know Jenny I watch this and she said, what daily I talk about? It can't lose this. Radio Jamaica 94, active for the good of the nation, is spirit of independence. Now worry yourself, a we name win. We're going to put up the thing in the studio.
Yes.
All right. Thank you, Gregory.
Thank you, Delia. And just remember, resilient and strong. We're encouraging Jamaicans. It's a hard time for many of us, but we must still celebrate who we are as a people at all times.
At all times. And the TF, by the way, is going to be doing Spruce Up Jamaica. The MPs are encouraged to spruce up constituencies.
So Minister Grange is going to make some exciting announcements
as far as that is concerned
pretty soon. So look out for that.
All right. Yes. All right. Spirit of Independence Awards, come true Jamaica. We're going to do this and put up all our picture them on social media and everybody around the world. I'm going to say, look on Jamaica people them, how they must celebrate. Me love it, me excited. Thank you, Gregory.
Yeah, man, take care.
Gregory Sims, Director of Events, Management and Production at the JCDC. Coming up next, JDF Armed Forces Day Parade. Smile continues after this quick break.